missing here. Where's my height?
Go.
Where's my height? Where's my height? Where's my height? My height. Come on. Where? Aha! The first part of my height. The undeniable clout. Woo! Let's go, baby!
Go.
Did you hear that? That sounds like hype. No. Aha! Found it. The most important part of the basketball band uniform. The black socks. Woo! Wait, do you hear that? Somewhere in here. Rice, cereal, creamy Pop-Tarts, more Pop-Tarts. Aha! The second most important part of the basketball band uniform. The black shoes. Woo! Let's go, baby! That sound. The hype has moved. The stairs. Where? Success! The part that lets everyone know we're in the basketball band. The jersey. Woo! Let's go, baby! Yeah! The hype is almost all achieved, but where? Wait, the sound's back. Where? Come on. No. Mom, I told you I needed these today. Ooh, still damp. It'll be fine.
Yep.
Woo! Let's go, baby! Woo! Whew. That one was close. Okay, so I got the Crikeys, black socks, jeans, shirt, goggles. See one thing, important part. What is it? I can hear the hype location. Where is it? Oh, wait. Echolocation's off. Over here. Here? No. Oh, Birdie Pete, my guy. Thanks. My white hat. Important. Thank you for holding these inside of these cornhole boards made by Klaus Henning, father of Adam Henning. Very quality product. I suggest checking them out. Anyways. Woo! Let's go, baby! Yeah! It's time for basketball band hype, baby! Woo! Let's go win a basketball game! Oh man, I forgot this. Thank you. There's a little something I learned